Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
H&R Block Pros and Cons. Pros. Robust Free Edition. H&R Block has the advantage over TurboTax in its free edition, which allows for more tax situations than TurboTax's free edition, including forms for student loan interest deduction and tuition and fee statements. 17 February 2021.
Take our lead.
Earlier this year, ProPublica published a report showing how Intuit, the company behind TurboTax, was misleading users into paying to file their taxes, something that's supposed to be free in the first place for many. The government uses data it already has on your income to fill out your taxes. 1 January 2020.
Take our lead.
TurboTax Free Guarantee. $0 federal plus $0 state plus $0 to file offer is available for simple tax returns with TurboTax Free Edition. 100% accurate calculations guarantee. If you pay an IRS or state penalty or interest because of a TurboTax calculation error, we'll pay you the penalty and interest.
Take our lead.
Yes, whether desktop software or online software, you have to purchase it every year. Exception. The online, free version will let you file for free for federal and state early in the tax year or with a state charge if you wait too long, sometime in late February or March. 31 May 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Check out our top picks below. Best tax software for live personal support. TurboTax by Intuit. Best multi-platform option. H&R Block. Best tax software with refund insurance. Jackson Hewitt Online. Best overall pricing. TaxSlayer. Best free option. Credit Karma Tax. Best accuracy guarantee. TaxAct. Best pricing for audit support.
Let's help you make your mark.
The truth is simple. Yes, you can file for free using TurboTax. But, it's limited to simple tax returns. If you're a W-2 income earner who may qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit, you can really use TurboTax to file your taxes for free. 3 March 2021.
Take our lead.
Features. Not only is the software download less expensive, but it also has more features than the same named edition online. For instance, if you sold investments with capital gains or losses, the online deluxe edition of TurboTax or H&R Block software can't handle it. 8 January 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.